We frequently get calls from potential clients and hear from other people in our Atlanta community wanting to know how you pick the best attorney for a slip and fall or a trip and fall case. At the Gunnels Law Firm, we handle a large volume of these types of cases. Most of them happen on premises that are run by businesses such as grocery stores or department stores, things of that nature. In picking an attorney to handle these types of claims, you need to make sure that you have an attorney who has a lot of experience with these types of matters. A lot of people don't realize this, but you are not entitled to compensation for injuries just because you injure yourself on a premises owned by a business. In order for a business to be responsible for compensating you for injuries you suffer, we have to prove that they have done something wrong or maintained their premises in a manner that is not safe to you, and or that they have knowledge of a danger on their premises that they haven't warned you of. Most of the evidence to prove these types of things comes about by an attorney who knows what to look for and the right questions to ask. If you are utilizing an attorney who's not used to handling these types of claims and does not have extensive experience handling these types of claims, they're going to have a hard time finding the information you need to prove these cases. So when you're looking for an attorney, make sure that you have one that has experience with trip and fall and slip and fall cases and has handled a large number of them and learned what to look for. Another thing to make sure that you have is someone that knows what motivates insurance companies to resolve these types of cases. I spent many years of my career defending slip and fall and trip and fall cases for businesses and insurance companies, and I know what motivates them to settle these cases. I know what information to look for, and I know how to use it. Make sure that you have someone who has worked on the other side of these cases like I have and many other attorneys have. It's important to know that your attorney is able to take those bits of information that they learn through these cases and put them to the best use. Another thing to keep in mind is you want an attorney who will take a case all the way to trial when necessary. Many lawsuits settle, but you want to make sure that you have an attorney that is willing to take a case all the way through trial and get a jury to give you the compensation you were entitled to when an insurance company is not being fair and reasonable in what they are offering you to resolve the cases. At the Gunnels Law Firm, we try these cases and we spend a significant amount of our time in court. Insurance companies know that we are not going to just take the highest offer they give if we don't feel like it is a reasonable offer for our client. We are going to make sure that we do everything possible to receive the best possible compensation for our clients, even if that means taking the case all the way to trial. If you have any questions about a trip and fall or slip and fall injury, please give us a call. We're here to help.